Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a VW Golf headlight. First, gather your tools, including a screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Make sure your car's engine is completely off and cool to the touch for safety. Always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for any model-specific details or warnings before you begin. This ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's get to the bulb. Open your car's hood and find the back of the headlight assembly. You might need to remove a plastic cover or unclip a few fasteners to gain access. Once you can see the bulb, carefully disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the tab and pulling it away. Be gentle to avoid damaging any wires or connectors. With the old bulb exposed, gently twist or unclip it from its housing and pull it straight out. When handling the new bulb, avoid touching the glass part with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Carefully insert the new bulb into the housing, ensuring it's seated correctly, then twist or clip it into place. Finally, firmly reattach the electrical connector. After installing the new bulb, turn on your car's headlights to confirm it's working properly. Once you've verified the new bulb illuminates, reattach any covers or clips you removed earlier, ensuring everything is secure. If your headlights appear misaligned, you might need to adjust them for optimal visibility and to avoid dazzling other drivers. You've successfully changed your headlight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.